Imagine winning the lottery. 6 numbers just changed your life forever.
$15 million.
With a huge check bringing newfound wealth, your dream home just became a reality. Sounds fantastic, right?
Oh my God!
I'm about to go along with recent winners for the search of their lifetime.
Oh, David.
Do the $1 million dance. Perfect. This is my lottery dream home. Dallas has already been lucky for Denise. 2 years ago, she met the love of her life here, Arndt. Yep, you heard that right. Arndt's from Germany, but he's been a Texan local for 20 years.
Cute. Look at the big door. That's just my outfit. Oh my gosh. Hi, Denise.
Hi there.
Arndt, am I saying that right?
Arndt.
Arndt. I love it. How are you?
How are you?
Oh my gosh, you're wearing
yeah.
great. I'm in Texas. I haven't been here in forever.
Yes.
This is very exciting.
Yes.
Did you guys win the lottery?
So I won the Texas two-step.
Of course it's called Texas Two-Step.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
And I did a quick pick.
Okay.
And it hit.
How much did it hit for?
1.2 million. Oh. But 2 of us won.
Okay.
So I ended up with 612,500.
Still not a bad take home.
Yeah. I just kept screaming and screaming, and I peed my pants.
Pee your pants?
Yes.
Hey, I think I'd pee my pants too.
I did.
So what are we doing with this $612,500?
A 3 to 4 bedroom home.
Okay.
Nothing too big, maybe between 1,500 square feet
Okay.
and 25. And this will be our first house together.
Oh, the lottery brings couples together. I love that. That's
Yes.
very exciting. Oh my gosh. Do we want a project? Are you handy?
Work for construction, but I like home improvement.
Oh, okay.
I like simple things. Big into my style. You can call it European style.
Okay.
Whites, grays.
So you don't mind a project or two, but nothing major. You don't want a full renovation. We're not doing that type of madness.
No.
Any other special requests?
We like to eat well and make our own food.
Okay. You want a nice kitchen.
I'll be cooking a lot together.
I love that.
Yeah.
What you gonna give me?
My budget is 300,000.
Okay. Efficiency, style. Woo! I'm feeling it. So give me some love so I can get to work.
All right.
Nice to meet you guys. We are gonna have so much fun.
Yeah.
Today I'm starting at the top of the budget with the largest house. I want them to see what they can get for $300,000 and the square footage. That means quality of finishes, size of the yard, and just the overall feel of the house.
The Denton is in. Hello? Denton, of course. Just north of Lake Dallas.
What do you guys think of the house?
It's beautiful from the outside.
Right.
It's a big mansion.
I'm starting at the largest, and I'm starting at the top of your budget. The Denton has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It's just shy of 2,500 square feet, so it's
Great.
pretty large. And it goes at the top of your budget at $299,000.
Great.
You guys ready to
That's
check this
perfect.
out?
Yes.
Yeah, let's get this hunt on.
I like those dark screens.
Kind
for
of
the
nice, right? A
sun.
little
Yeah.
privacy. All right, here we go. Come on in, cutie pies.
Oh, wow.
Fun, right?
Nice.
Looks like a mansion, inside and outside.
Beautiful staircase.
Right? What color would you paint the walls?
White.
Of course you would. Of course you would. We have a great family room here.
Beautiful. It's roomy.
It's a huge space,
Wow, it is.
right?
Big kitchen.
Big kitchen, yeah.
This is a great space, but we have to change it.
Yeah.
Just imagine this with some nice countertops.
Yeah, granite. And I would bring the cabinetry all the way to the ceiling.
All the way to
All
the
the way to
ceiling.
the ceiling,
That's
yeah.
More
right.
storage, a little
love the
fantastic.
space.
Yeah, it just needs a
Yes.
little of your love.
Yeah.
Come on out, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this backyard.
Wow.
It's great. So what's over here is a reserve. So they'll never have houses over here. This will always be woods and
Oh,
fabulousness.
that's exciting.
So what did you guys think of the house overall?
I think it's amazing. It's just maybe a tad big.
A lot of projects in this house.
There is a lot of projects. So if we go down in square footage, with your price range, less projects.
Lone Star is just about lapping on the shores of Lake Dallas, so it has a chill, vacation-y feel that's just priceless.
What do you think of this house?
Wow, it is different from the brick.
It
I
is.
love it.
So Lone Star has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It is a smaller house at just shy of 1,800 square feet. And we're still right on budget at $272,000.
Good.
Great.
You guys want to check it out?
Sure.
Let's do this. I love the outside. The details are really cute. And the houses next door are really sweet, too. totally different feel. No projects. Here we come. Come on in.
Oh my gosh.
Very different than yesterday, right?
Yes, look at these floors. Wow.
Wow, so much light
Gosh.
and so clean.
It's simple. Wow.
A little bit smaller, but yeah, it
The colors are just great. Feels really good.
looks expensive.
Great dining room here.
Oh my
Lots of traditional, but very clean and contemporary accents.
Wow,
Yeah.
this open floor, this is really a show. Oh, I love it.
Good.
There's a guest bathroom and bedroom down here on the first floor, which leaves one more guest room upstairs and, of course, the main bedroom.
Oh, wow. David, this is amazing.
It's a great size.
You would not expect this in this house, this
Right.
big room.
Yeah, looking at it from outside, this is perfect size.
All right, guys, come on.
Ooh.
It's cute, isn't it?
Yes, it's cute. It is smaller.
It's not quite as grand as yesterday.
But at least, you know, less lawn to mow.
Right. Always fun to look at options, right? What could I do different for the house I'm going to show you tomorrow?
I was thinking maybe a little more character.
Oh, are you okay with that, Arndt? You okay with character?
You know the answer.
I do. So today I'm taking them to Timberlake Trace. It's got 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. It's our smallest home at 1,650 square feet. It's also our least expensive home at $260,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, shall we check this out?
Yes.
Let's get this party started. 2-car garage yet again.
Great. I love the brown with the white.
Isn't it cute? And the black, I think it's really sharp.
Yes.
All right, come on in, guys.
Oh, wow.
Isn't this great?
Yes.
There's just something about it that just gives you a nice, warm little hug.
It does. The wood offset with the white is great.
Yeah, it's nice. Right when you put some sort of wood accent with any sort of something very clean, there's a relatability to it that's really nice.
Yeah.
Let's continue.
Okay.
All right, so here we have a dining space, which is
Nice.
adorable,
Cute.
right?
Yeah.
Love the windows. The chair rail is really fun. It's definitely bringing kind of that character that you were looking for.
Yeah, they left it in, huh?
Yeah. Do you like it?
No, but it's easy to remove.
All right, come on into the kitchen.
Oh, nice little kitchen. I love the quartz. Just so nice, clean, and just fresh.
Here, I'll run this. You look there.
Okay. No leaks.
No leaks.
And everything is brand new. It's not just painted.
Right.
Yeah.
They put all cabinets in, actually completely new.
Yeah. Love it.
Fantastic. Let's go upstairs and look at the bedrooms.
Okay.
Okay.
Half bath right here. Here is our main suite.
Oh, nice and roomy.
It's a good size.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean.
Oh my goodness.
It's huge, isn't it?
It's,
Unbelievable.
wow, enormous.
I did not expect that.
Right. I think we're on a half acre here, which I think is our biggest backyard. The options here are limitless because of the price and also the usability of the yard.
Yes, I really like this house.
Good.
I think you found the perfect mixture for us. I like it. I like it too.
It's gonna be a hard decision.
So where are we going? What house are we choosing for the new life you guys are going to build together?
So after talking it over, we decided on the Lone Star.
Oh my gosh, I love that house for you guys. It's so you. It was completely open. It was new. There was 0 projects, and that was going to be the house for you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much for the help.
It was my pleasure, and this is a house that you guys are starting your life together in is really special. Oh my gosh, is our wedding bells going to be happening soon?
Soon.
Soon.
Cheers.
Okay.
Let's get you in this house.
Cheers.
Get your new life started.
Yes. We ended up with a Lone Star, and we're just so happy. It's just really comfortable living. So nice. It's so easy to get to the lake, and it's really awesome.
Oh, what a great day.
Our neighbors are fantastic. We have friends over.
Hello, hello!
Oh my gosh, come on in.
The kitchen actually worked out as we hoped. We spending so much time in there and just so much fun.
I love that. Yeah. Whoa.
David found this house for us. It came like that. Yeah. So everybody has a drink? You want to go outside? Let's go check it out.
Okay. The open floor plan is really comfortable. We spend all of our time in the kitchen or living room, even the backyard.
Wow.
Yeah.
New house, new grill.
I
Are those
know.
new tongs too?
dream.
I love it. Ah, it's gorgeous.
It's just small and just right for us.